Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Today we're going to look at the FTSE 100 stocks. Here's my contact details. You can find me on LinkedIn and Twitter. We're going to review the FTSE 100 stocks from a artificial intelligence trading perspective. We've got 4 AI engines that we use, or AI trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now these cater for various different trading styles, from short-term swing trades with the quick 3-day moves and classic swing trades to more position trades and that can last for weeks to months. The major market reversals and the volatility breakouts is a favorite one of those. Let's jump straight into the artificial intelligence engine. Remember, the AI engine does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of market indicators and stock market relationships to come up with these trading strategies using genetic algorithms. Let's jump straight into the MetaStock Platform. Jumping straight into the MetaStock Platform, I've got the full AI engine loaded. Took about 7.5 minutes for the AI to run through the FTSE 100 shares. List index constituents, there's 58 rejects where there aren't any recent signals, normal filter rejection, as well as 33 that the AI is either in a long or in a short position. Bar sorts it from how old the trades are. There isn't anything recent. We've got most trades are 4 to 7 days into a trade. 1 week old, more than 1 week old. You can see then there's a couple that the AI is still in a very long-term trade. Looking at these Just Eat, Barclays, Taylor Wimpey, 30 days into a trade there, etc. So let's take a look at let's say the top 10 of the most recent trades. We've got land securities here. The AI is recommending a volatility breakout, or has identified a volatility breakout. Yeah, the stop loss is just below 690 and 680 there. Volatility breakout there. We can see the swing trade back here in November worked out beautifully. There was another volatility breakout there that got stopped out, but the February one worked out quite well. And then the June swing trade worked quite well as well. So land securities, the AI is in a volatility breakout trade for quite a while now, for a couple of days. Ferguson has been on the list. I'm just putting this on the list so you can see how successful the AI is in capturing some really big moves. This swing trade started in April of last year. It started in April and still strong, going strong. You can see the huge return here. The trailing stop worked out quite well. Very wide stop loss. The AI optimizes the stop loss, so you can see fantastic trade using the AI for trading UK stocks. Next up, CRH.L. We can see here we've got a volatility breakout. The most recent signal, the AI's moved the stop up from just under 36 to around about 37, 75, 70, run about there. Also, swing trade back here in April, May worked out well. So you can see the AI does generate quite a lot of high frequency trades using the AI on the UK stocks. And this swing trade here back in April, May worked out beautifully. Also captured some really big moves on CRH. Next up is CMPG, Compass Group. I can see we had a lovely trade here back here in swing trade back here in June. Lasted quite a long time. Your metal was tested when it got close to the stop loss, and eventually it hit the trailing stop loss. So you can have other sell rules. I have other sell rules on an intraday basis, looking for the AI signals on a 4-hour time frame, looking for profit taking signals there. But the most recent signal here is a volatility breakout with a stop loss just above the £14 level. So minimize that one. BR Land Securities, British Land. You can see here we had a lovely swing trade back in October and November. Lasted quite a nice little pop there. Took a huge move there. Volatility breakout. That trade worked out well. That volatility breakout in May hit a trailing stop here, but depending on what your trailing stop was, the AI is still in a long on both volatility trades here. The trailing stop now is just above the 490 and 500 level. So it'll be interesting to see if this is going to keep grinding higher. Let's have a look at the next one. BP Group, volatility breakout signal there. The stop loss is just below 275, and the AI is still long BP. We saw back here in November, October, November, there was because of a sell-off there, there's a few shares that were stopped out there. And now November trade worked out well. The December one worked out well. February one worked out well. And then it was a quick move in April. But we now have volatility breakout on BP. Let's have a look at the next one. ITV. Stock seems to be rolling over a little bit here. We had a volatility breakout there and a swing trade. Yeah, the AI is still in a swing trade, but the stop loss is very tight now. It's adjusted it to see if it's going to get hit the stop loss there, but still in a profit on a swing trade basis. Fantastic trade, yeah, back in September. Also swing trade. October caught the move. October, November rally into December. So fantastic trades there using AI trading ITV. And let's have a look at the next one. BT Group. Also a nice quick move signal there. Volatility breakout here in July, that got stopped out. August one still in a trade there, and the quick move also in a trade there. Quick move back here, and then also earlier we had a huge major market reversal that captured most of the move there, and the last volatility breakout here in May also posted some good returns. So you can see on BT Group, quick move plus a volatility breakout signal. Will be interesting to see if it's going to rally back above these resistance levels of 185 and 205. Here's a look at HSBC Holdings, volatility breakout. You can see the stop losses there just around about the 380 level. And the AI signal is now looking for a long on HSBC Holdings. You can see we had quite a couple of good trades. That one worked out well. That one did not. Volatility breakout, yeah, back in February worked out well. Another one in December worked out well. The first one didn't work out. The second one did work out. And the volatility breakout in October, November caught the entire move from October, November, and December. Fantastic trades there using the AI trading HSBC Holdings. Ruled out Shell also, recent signal volatility breakout, very wide stop loss. The stock is kind of in a basing pattern here. So it will be interesting to see if this trade's going to work out back to the old highs of this 1550 and 1600 zones. These are the upside resistance targets. But rolled out Shell, a couple of days also into a trade. So if we take the list back, here we can see quite a few names. Some of the older trades there, the AI is in these for a much longer period. 173 days, Rolls-Royce, etc. So that's how you scan, run the screen, find the most recent trades, and then look for the chart patterns to see if they meet your risk profile. But that's how you use the AI to scan the FTSE100 stocks, looking for top quality trades, ideas using the AI. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on MetaStock Platform. And here's the list, the hottest new trade ideas as generated by artificial intelligence. Here's the finalist. You can see there's quite a lot of trades that the AI has been in for a while. But these are the fresh signals, as long as there's a 1 in the long column, and tells you how old the trade is. These are the names, and until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.